20K? Thousand?
20,000
20,000
pesos.
peso the...
Just a saw.
Oh, babalik na kami sa kanyang work. Hinatid namin yung wad tsaka some stuff. Sa work ni Boss Mike. So, tayo. So, ito yung lugar dito, malawak. So, gusto ko dito sa Amerika guys, ang linis ng dagat, super linis, no? And so, super linis also ng mga ano nila dito, mga lugar nila dito. Dan? Saka ang ganda rin ng mga grocery. Merong mga easy to cook.
I gotta go get my plans now.
So, habis done to fix everything. Are you done to fix everything how you work? Ayan. Boss Mike. Kagaling na namin taong din ko bumili ng some stuff for this job. So, ayan. Kalabat na namin taong din. Saka pagbuto sa kahoy. Ayan, ito, yan yung Home Depot na binilihan namin. Ayan, Home Depot. Ayan, kaya dyan na ni Boss Mike. So, sunny day today guys. So, ayan, makikita natin yung araw. Sun, but still cold yung wind guys. Gosh. So ito yung kahoy na bili-bili ni boss. Kaya na ipasok na yung iba sa loob ng truck. Go Boss Mike! Ay! Hello, wait. Dapat dito. Hindi ko pala pwede. So, yan yung trabaho ni Boss Mike. That Boss Mike job. to buy something for his job. So, medyo pa-flat na yung tummy niya. Dahil gusto niya to be a macho man, guys. To be a macho man. Hindi ko pala pwede ito so that's 21,000 I think is it change or more than 21,000 but the company said that so off na hindi patabang kong hobby ang symbol na symbol sa wood. So, dali mo na yung wood. Dali sila mag-build. Ayan, itong lugar na to, dito sila mag-build. So, assistant ako na today. Assistant. Ayan.
Where the fire station is.
Ah, that's... So, yun. Yan yung mga gusto.
Sandwiches.
Oh?
Like that big.
Famous fish. Sandwich. So big. Big and long. Big and long. Waiting our order. Just hubby buying something food. Fish sandwich. Look. Fish. Get nice fish sandwich. So someone cleaning here because festivals.
Work out here.
What day festivals here?
I have no clue. I don't
Okay,
live out
because
here.
festivals here is coming.
Put your
So
seatbelt
this is
on.
fairground. So super linis dito sir. Super linis na ano. Fairground.
Hey, I got somebody open the gate. It's where they want it, the county.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Yung mga puno nila dito, hindi siya ano protest. Kadalasan dito is what tree is that?
It's like a bunch of pine trees and oak trees
Pine
to me.
trees. Pine trees. Same in Baguio City. Baguio City. Bunch of pine trees. So ayan ang lawak ng Fairground Festivals. Super linis. Isa sa maganda dito sa sa Amerika is malinis. Malinis yung mga tao dito. Lagi naglilinis sa lugar nila. Ayan, mga nagtatrabaho. Lalo na yung mga dagat dito ang linis-linis guys.